Hello everyone. Welcome to the fifth poetry unit in your syllabus called Trees, written by Shirley Bauer. In this video, I will introduce the poem and explain it line by line. In the end, we will discuss some important aspects of the poem like the major themes, tone, and structure. So let's jump straight into the introduction. This poem is based on a list of advantages of trees in our lives. It talks about both material and aesthetic uses of trees. Material means something related to money. Aesthetic means something related to beauty or appearance. So this poem shows how trees are important both materialistically and aesthetically. The poem shows the poet's love for trees. Now I introduce the poem to you. Let's start reciting. You can pause the video here and recite it for yourself or recite it along with me. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to sing song. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." Now I recited the poem to you. I will explain it line by line. Trees are for birds. Trees are important for birds because they make their nest in the trees. The birds also get their food from these trees through the fruits and the insects live on them. Trees are for children. Children use trees to play around. Some kids climb up the branches of the trees. Others swing upon it like little monkeys. So they play around these trees. That's why trees are important for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing song. Some people also build wooden tree houses on old trees. These tree houses are often small personal spaces. You can see how children keep on swinging on the trees. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Sometimes strong winds blow through the trees. The leaves fall down from them. Next line. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. When little children play games such as hide and seek, they use these trees to hide behind them. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. People host garden tea parties and call up their friends to have tea with them under the shade of the trees. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Sometimes kites get stuck in the branches of the trees, and the children then climb up the branches to free their kites. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are very helpful during the summer. When you require shade to rest under, especially for the travelers who travel during the summers, trees become very important because They give them shade to rest under. Trees are to make no shade in winter. In the winter, however, trees become bare and they have no leaves in this season. Trees are unable to provide any shade to the travelers or to the children who play under them. Trees are for apples to grow on, and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber. Chop means to cut down. So trees also provide us wood, which is used for building furniture. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." So trees are so beautiful that mothers love to paint them on the canvas. Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." Rake is the garden tool which is used to collect leaves which fall during this autumn season. So the fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake or clean up this falling season." Fall means the autumn season. Now we have discussed the poem. Let us analyze the major aspects of it. The first major aspect is the themes. First theme is the relationship between nature and human beings. The poem beautifully explores how trees are important for children as well as for adults. Trees never lose their importance in the lives of human beings. When they are green and full of fruits, they are used for playing around and getting shelter and fruits. When they lose their leaves in the winter, they are used to get timber wood. Then, through a process called photosynthesis, leaves pull in carbon dioxide and water and use the energy of the sun to convert this into chemical compounds such as sugars that feed the tree. But as a byproduct of that chemical reaction, oxygen is produced and released by the tree. So, this mutual relationship continues between the nature and the human beings. The second theme is importance of trees. Just like I explained, trees are very important for human beings. Aesthetically, because we look at their beauty and we like to paint their picture. And materialistically, because we get wood and fruits from them. Now let's discuss the structure of the poem. The poem comprises of 16 independent lines, and each of these lines start with the same word, trees. It is not divided into stanzas. There is no rhyme scheme to the poem. To the final aspect we discuss is the tone of the poem. The tone is the attitude with which the poet has written the poem. The tone of the poem is light-hearted and cheerful. The poet is very happy as she is recounting the importance of trees in our lives. That's all for today. Thank you.